This is Just in Case from American Newscape, joining our friend and book wrangler, Sarah Wisdom, bringing you Yuma County Library happenings. Hello, Sarah. Welcome back to American Newscape.
Hello, thank you for having me again this week.
Well, we enjoy having you. All right, Sarah, what's happening at the libraries?
Well, all kinds of things as usual. The first thing I want to tell you about kind of makes me smile because it's kind of like what's old is new again. The library is launching Dial a Story. And when I say old is new again, it's because originally the library launched a Dial a Story phone line in 1975. And this continued through the early 2000s. Now, what we did then was we had a staff member or staff members basically record themselves reading a storybook, and we dedicated a phone line for it. So now we're, of course, super high tech. We have access, thanks to the state library, to a service called Library Call. And basically, they are the platform that provides Dial a Story. They set up the phone line. They have hundreds of stories in English and Spanish that we can download and dedicate to the line. And so what's old is new again. Dial a Story is back. All you need is a phone number and a phone. You don't have to have great internet access or anything like that. It's just kind of the hailing back to low tech. Sometimes that's a good thing.
Absolutely, and I'm sure the youngsters will enjoy this.
And the moms too.
Yes.
Those moms that need 5 to 7 minutes to themselves.
Okay, what else do we have, Sarah?
Well, I want to mention an online presentation that's coming up. It is, again, by Arizona Humanities. Their Frank Talks are coming back. Now, these are kind of like TED Talks with a twist. You have a speaker who is a professional in the subject matter that's being discussed, but rather than just speaking to you on the subject, you actually have a chance to engage and ask questions. And so really they're facilitating this conversation. And this next one is happening Saturday, April 17th. And the topic is Nice is Not Enough. And our facilitator, Rory Gilbert, is going to be talking about systemic oppression, which is very, very prominent in the news right now. We're taking a look at discrimination and oppression, not on an individual level, but as a culture and as a system and as a corporate culture. And so what will happen is if you register for this talk, you'll receive the invitation to a Zoom meeting. You'll watch a brief video that Rory has prepared, and then you actually get to engage with fellow attendees in this presentation, ask questions, and just really engage in a safe environment where you can ask earnest questions and really have a frank discussion about a topic that's not easy to talk about.
Well, that's interesting. Nice is not enough. What else do you have, Sarah?
Right. Well, last but not least, our citizen science kits are making another round. We talked about these back in December, I believe.
Yeah.
We were talking about the science kits that were available for checkout. Well, they have come to the main library now. They were out at our Welton library for a while. Now they're at our main library. They're available to those who are 18 and older to check out, but the kits are set up so that really kids of any age can do the experiment. So what we're looking for is sort of a parent or a caregiver to check the kits out, but really the whole family can participate in the experiments. And what's really cool about these is you are doing real science. You are a citizen scientist. You get to report your findings to an official website that's actually helping scientists with their research. So we really want to encourage people to come to the main library and check those out. The topics include air pollution, biodiversity. There's a little bit of something for everyone. And again, the kits have easy, medium, and advanced levels of experimentation and observation. So hopefully there'll be something for all the kids in your family, no matter what age they're at.
And as I remember, those were very popular at Welton, weren't they?
Yes, there was quite an interest in them. So now that they've made the rounds out in East County, we've brought them to Yuma.
Okay, very good. Everybody, this has been Justin Case and Sarah Wisdom bringing you Yuma County Library happenings. Thanks for joining us. Remember, additional information and links are provided in this video's Read More. Today is the day to subscribe to this channel, and please support libraries and librarians everywhere.